What's the meaning of bronze? Bronze. Bronze.
Bronze. Bronze. Bronze is a metal alloy typically composed of copper and tin. It has a warm, reddish-brown color and is known for its durability, strength, and resistance to corrosion. Bronze has been used throughout history for a variety of purposes, including tools, weapons, sculptures, and other decorative items. The result of using bronze in these applications is that it can hold intricate details and withstand the test of time. Additionally, bronze is often associated with the feeling of warmth and strength, making it a popular choice for both practical and aesthetic uses.